How to make a paper airplane from printer paper. Take a rectangular piece of paper of any color. Place the paper with the short side facing you. Grab the bottom left corner. Pull it to the right and upward. Align the paper on the right side. Press down well on the folded part. Take scissors and cut off the excess paper near the triangle. Unfold the paper. Fold the right side of the square to the left side. Press down on the crease. Unfold the paper. Fold the top right corner to the center line we just made. Press down well on the fold. Fold the left corner to the center line. Press down on the fold. Fold the left corner to the center line. Press down on the fold. Take the right side and fold it to the center crease. Press down well. Take the top corner and fold it down. Smooth out the folded area well. Fold the airplane in half along the central line. Create the wings on both sides of the airplane. Unfold the airplane's wings. Find the optimal wing position for your airplane so that it flies well and far.